I would argue for adaptation, but let me just finally say there are aspects of mitigation that I agree with. There is no case against trying to use our resources, particularly non-renewable resources, more efficiently. Now again, that's a win-win situation. If it all doesn't happen, we still manage to conserve our resources. It might have been more expensive than it needed to be, but we did get a return and it wasn't a waste. And I think in terms of, it might get close to theology, I think there's a moral imperative to avoid waste where we can do so in any event. Another thing we can do by way of mitigation is in the field of technology. There's a solution there for nuclear. And let's bear in mind, to put it all in perspective, that if we wanted to do that, then the worst thing that could happen is that the whole world goes nuclear. Like if all else fails, we could do that. And how bad is that? Well, France has been doing it for the last 40 years. UK and the US have done it quite extensively. There hasn't been one recorded fatality, I understand. So, I mean, this is not the stuff to keep you awake at night. You may not agree that you want to see the whole world going nuclear, but it's not disaster. It's not Armageddon if that happens. And so that's the possibility that we may finish up mitigating in that way. But whatever, the technology will improve.